Hi there. In this video, we are going to cover how to use Schedule by Zapier. If you're someone who juggles multiple tasks throughout the day, you might know how overwhelming it can be to keep everything running smoothly. That's where Zapier's Schedule feature comes in. It allows you to automate your tasks, freeing up your time for more important activities. Imagine having your emails sent automatically every hour, or your reports generated without lifting a finger. This tutorial is going to show you exactly how to set that up. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your favorite web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you prefer. Once your browser is open, type zapier.com into the address bar at the top of the screen. This will take you directly to the Zapier homepage. Look towards the top right corner of the page, and you'll see a login button. Click on it. If you haven't created an account yet, no worries, you can easily sign up. However, for this tutorial, let's assume you already have an account. Logging in is simple and efficient, especially if you use your Google account. Just click on the Login with Google option and follow the on-screen prompts to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your personal Zapier homepage. Now, on this homepage, you'll see various options, but today, we're focused on creating a new Zap. A Zap, in Zapier terminology, is an automated workflow that connects your apps and services together. To start, click on the Create button and then select Zaps from the drop-down menu. This will lead you to the Zap editor, which is where all the automation magic happens. The first thing we need to do in the Zap editor is set up a trigger. Think of a trigger as the event that starts your automated task. It's crucial to set this up correctly, as it determines when your automation will kick off. So click on Trigger, and from the list that appears, search for and select Schedule. Choosing Schedule allows you to set specific intervals or times when you want your task to run automatically. For example, you might want something to happen every hour, every day, or at any other interval that suits your needs. After you've selected Schedule, you'll need to decide on the frequency of the task. For our demonstration today, let's choose every hour. This means that the task you're setting up will run once every hour, seamlessly automating your workflow without any manual intervention. It's perfect for tasks that need to happen regularly and consistently. Once you've set your schedule, it's time to test this setup. Go ahead and click on the Test button. This is an important step because it ensures that everything is working as expected before you proceed to the next stage. If the test is successful, you're ready to move on to the next part, which is setting up the action in your Zap. The action is what your Zap will do automatically once it's triggered. For our example, let's integrate Gmail. Select Gmail from the list of available app integrations. By integrating Gmail, we can automate the process of sending emails every hour. After selecting Gmail, you'll need to specify the action you want to take place. In this case, choose Send Email. Before you proceed, double-check that you're logged into your Gmail account. This step is crucial as it authenticates the connection between Zapier and Gmail, ensuring that your workflow runs smoothly without any hitches. After confirming your Gmail login, click Test again to verify that everything is operating as it should. This second test is essential as it confirms that the action step is set up correctly. If all goes well and your tests are successful, congratulations, you're almost done. The final step is to publish your Zap. Click on the Publish button to activate your Zap. Once published, Zapier takes over and starts running your scheduled tasks automatically, just as you've set them up, without needing any further input from you. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use Schedule by Zapier to automate your workflows, creating time efficiencies and enhancing your productivity. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to use Schedule by Zapier. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.